Are you wanting to build a new house from scratch or renovate an existing one? Perhaps it's a commercial construction project you're looking to accomplish. At Imagine Unique Construction, we can help. Whatever your needs are, no matter how big, we can bulldoze right through the rough patches of your plans. Our team of professionals includes seasoned engineers, architects, and designers who are very rigorous, responsible, and ready to communicate with you in order to achieve perfect results. We will also make your building or renovation experience super fun and stress-free, because that's the way a dream project is supposed to be. Our process at Imagine Unique Construction is simple and entails giving you an estimate first. Then we go over the contract to smoothen out all the intricate details. And thirdly, we start working on the project with you, whilst always prioritizing communication with you every step of the way. There won't be any mess or problems, and every inch of your project will be perfectly built down to the littlest detail. We can also renovate your residential or commercial buildings to ensure they are safe and appealing. With our quick crew, we can easily renovate your place in the blink of an eye to make it look as if it were a new home. Your experience with us will be joyous and exciting, with no stress at all, only high-quality construction at the best price that suits your every need. And when we would be done with your project, you can rest assured that your building will be a beautiful edifice to behold. Don't delay. Contact us today over at www.imagineuniqueconstruction.com for an obligation-free consultation about your next build or renovation project.